Hi, I'm Rachel and this is July's edition of the Bville Buzz. It's officially summer and our programs and events are in full swing. We have plenty of activities to keep you and your family cool and entertained. Speaking of cool, the Park District is a DuPage County Extreme Heat Cooling Emergency Center. While you cool off at the DGLC, located at 1000 West Wood Street, check out our summer program guide and register. Did you miss out on walking or riding with us in the Wooddale Memorial Day Parade? You're in luck. There's still plenty of time for you to register to join us at the Bensenville LibertyFest Independence Day Parade this 4th of July. To learn more, visit our website, bvilleparks.org/libertyfest. It's cool at the pool. Our water park and splash pad is the perfect place to swim. Summer just began, so it's not too late to buy pool passes. We have a splash-tastic lineup of park and play events at the pool this month, including Decorate the Deck, Friday, July 1st. Fun-filled 4th of July, Monday, July 4th. Dive-in movie featuring Aquaman, Saturday, July 9th. Slushy Day, Monday, July 11th. National Ice Cream Day, Sunday, July 17th. And National Hot Dog Day, Wednesday, July 20th. For more info on these events and general water park and splash pad info, check out the website at bvilleparks.org/waterpark. Don't forget, Wood Street Fitness offers Aqua Zumba. Join our Zumba pool party each Saturday at 11:15 for a refreshing workout using water resistance to develop and tone muscles and ease joint pain. It's just $7 a session or free with a water park membership. For those of you who prefer more land activities, we have 8 park and play events this month. At Fisher Farm, there's Wetland Walkabout at 6 p.m., Summer Volunteer Day from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Saturday, July 16th, and Bug Safari at 2 p.m. that same day. Don't miss Kids Night Out from 6:30 to 8 p.m. Friday, July 22nd at Sunset Park, and the Morning Wildflower Walk at 8:30 Saturday, July 23rd at the new Breiter-Palm Park. Join us for Fitness Days, 9 to 10 a.m. Saturday, July 23rd at various parks around town. What's great is that all of our classes are free. We'll have yoga at Fisher Farm, circuit training at Bville Park, and Zumba at Pines Park. This is a great way for you to try out a new fitness program. For a full schedule of park and play activities, check out bvilleparks.org/parkandplay. Over at White Pines, the last Callaway Fitting Day takes place 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday, July 16th. The best way to play like a tour pro is to get a custom fitting with the experts. Join us Sunday, July 17th for a family golf night. It's a wonderfully relaxed round of golf for the whole family, and there will be a special $3 meal that includes a hot dog, chips, and a fountain drink. That's all the time we have for today. We leave you with some highlights from the grand reopening of Breiter-Palm Park, a playground for all. Thanks for watching the Bville Buzz. Stay connected by signing up for our newsletter, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.